Hello. Uh, it's loading. Okay, hello guys. Welcome back to my channel. And today I will be showing you all on how to make another weather script. So I know I've already did this tutorial, but this time it's gonna be different. But first you need to decorate your map, but you don't need to decorate your map if you want. Right now I don't need to as well. But also, just in case, I'll just be using this house. Just only a house. You know, the one I made in that tutorial video on how to make a house. And just color the grass green as well. Like, like always. Anyway, now first, what we want to do is insert like four values. First, we'll do a string value. We need to clone this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then what we're gonna do is rename them, so we don't need to change them. Then we're gonna type in first, second. So you guys might be wondering what I'm doing right now, but or you can do 1, 2, 3, 4. Anyway, now that we have typed in those values, all we're gonna do is go to Starter GUI, into the Screen GUI, and into the frame. Then what you're gonna need to do is uh um I mean I wish that every time we spotted, like for example, a frame scrolling frame text or other, the size doesn't really change with the offset. Okay, so yeah, we don't really need to do that. But hold on for a sec. I'm just rescaling it my own way, but it's literally hard. It's hard to do it when you. Ah, that's it. There. Now we're gonna move this in the middle, in the top middle of your screen. If you want, you can name this whatever UI or whatever. Anyway, if you're wondering what GUI stands for, it stands for Game User Interface, and UI stands for User Interface. So, Game User Interface, same thing. It's not different, just the same thing. Anyway, now if you want, you can decorate your GUI. You don't need to if you want. If If you want it to be circle shaped, all you have to do is select the UI corner and change this to 1. But I'd rather have it 0. Anyway, now what we're gonna do is color this. Yeah, you really don't need to, decorate the GUI. I'm gonna change this to orange this time, or purple. Okay. Now, what we're gonna do is insert an image button. So I mean, we're definitely gonna need the day night cycle. This video is probably gonna be 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour, 4 hour long. But if you guys can't do the tutorial for like 4, 3, 2, or 1 hour long, then you'll have to get the model in the link in the description box down below. Anyway, let's use this. Now what we're gonna do is just try. I would just insert this to. Anyway, now we need an ambience day-night cycle sound. I mean, if you want, you can insert the scripts. You don't really have to script it. It's fine. But I wanted to I wouldn't stop. I wanted to script this, but you know, I just wanted to show the viewers it's fine to, spawn it in. Anyway, if you want, you can insert in this too, but except that, uh, okay, um, okay, I guess, but, this is definitely not the same as this, I think, but just in case you're gonna disable it. Well, the reason why we're trying to insert in day and night cycles is, so that we can so that we can just, do the Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, GUI or something like that, yeah. But what we're gonna do is just put the image button in here, and then of course, sorry, make sure that it fits screen. And no, oh wait, I thought I was gonna mess up. Are you? No, come on, why? Maybe I should slow down a bit. Oh yes. So I'm gonna try not to scale it too big, but just this big. Yeah, just this big. No, 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 zero, no, no, zero, and hold on. Money, 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 money. Anyway, I need to tell y'all something. So, okay, I'll tell you when the video is almost done or something. Then what we're gonna do is insert this. And hold on for a sec. Okay, there. Oh yeah, that's just the clock noise. Anyway, I can't seem to find the day night sound script, but let's just search for that. Day night script. Bro, what is this? This is trash. Stupid trash. Bruh, 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 bruh. And how does this have so many likes? They. Okay. I'm gonna keep looking. Wait a sec. Hey, wait a sec. I have an idea. Why couldn't I think of this before? Let me get the recent script I used. I didn't really bother scripting it because it would take a long time to. It would take like so long to figure out the code since I have scripted old day night cycle sounds only rarely. Since I don't use them for my games that much. But seriously, let me get his stupid. Not to be rude, but let me just get his stupid script. And then what we're gonna have to do is. Okay. We're just gonna insert that workspace, because why not? Whoa. Let's get this script from the light. And you know this thing, right? Well, if workspace. Wait a second. Every time I do an error here, this red thing shows. Is this some kind of new update or something? What is going on? But if I do it here, see? It shows that blue thing. Like, what do those stuff? Oh yeah, I think those are just the symbols for like that. I think those are just, to like make sure that the player, the I mean, whatever person makes sure that he, you know, how do I say it? Stop! Okay, just forget it. Anyway, now let's just put in work. No, wait. If workspace. Why is this so laggy and everything is different in here? What is going on? What's new? Uh, behavior change improved via system. Whoa! I guess there was so many updates in Roblox Studio while I wasn't here for a while. just staying there bored. And you guys don't want to know. You guys really don't want to know. You guys really don't want to know. Anyway, if workspace dot day dot playing not. Oh wait, I'm supposed to put a Y here. Playing equals true. Then not gonna lie, but I kind of don't like some of these updates. I kind of like the previous stuff, but that's just what Roblox decides. Not my opinion, anyway. Anyway, you might hear a little bit of echoes in my room because we have just moved into like a new house right now. So it's not really a two-story house like my previous house, but I'm happy with whatever house I have. Anyway, doesn't matter what your house looks like, what color it is, or anything. Anyway, let's just do workspace dot day dot play equal, or you can do workspace dot day dot playing equals false. The reason why we're doing playing instead of play here is because I think that okay, you know what? Never mind. Base night. So the first thing we're gonna need is day 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 day. Yeah, sorry that I keep yawning. It's just I didn't really get that much sleep last night. That's why. Workspace dot not no. There it go. Oh no. Dot playing equals false. There. No, wait, I forgot something. Yeah, no, we're just gonna get it from Hoodside Neighborhood. Oh yeah, I forgot. I can't use the other tab. Okay, so now we're gonna insert another frame and then scale this frame a little smaller. But then again, we're kinda gonna need it big. This time, we definitely don't need an image button. So, well, is there anything to replace? I wish that Roblox added a new update where we can replace some property stuff. For example, What if we were able to replace the image button with an image label instead of an image button? That would be great. But also, then, yeah, just never mind. Oh, good. Come on. What do I do next? The reason why I just did that is because I don't really know what to do next, but oh yeah, now I remember. Okay, so we're just gonna like type in 0.1 and type in. It's so annoying when instead of, okay, you guys probably already had the same problem as me, so yeah, I don't really need to explain it. Okay, now let's scale this right over here. Now that we have done that, we kind of need to go to details. But first, we still need some kind of. Okay, you know what? Yeah, just you know what? I'm gonna add in like a number value because I forgot that. Name this day one. Name this days. Okay. And now what we're gonna do is clone the string value. Name it Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, Thursday. No, wait. Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. By the way, has anyone realized that Mondays was actually so? Has anyone realized that Monday is actually morning day and Sunday is actually sunny day? Well, I mean, someone in my class told me that they had like a theory of Monday being morning day and like sunny day being Sunday being sunny day. But no one knows if that's actually true. Cause someone else told my classmate that, so my classmate told it to me, and of course I didn't really believe that yet, but just wanted to ask you guys. And I just got distracted again. Now if you now you realize that people always put scripts in server script service. That's because server script service is like most commonly used to make scripts work even better. So now guys, I have something to show you. So if you type in this command called game.server script service script source equals print subscribe. Oh, wait a sec. So then you can press enter whatever you want and then press enter. And then you go to the script and boom! Print subscribe. So the you realize that, has anyone noticed that the script, the codes are actually inside the source in the script, and this is what the source looks like. This was actually the source. The whole I don't think many of you have noticed this because rarely a lot of people notice this. But like actually it's true. This whole thing over here is the source of the script. And inside, like for example, if you type in gibberish, the the code type gets typed in the source inside the script. But like I can't really explain it in a better way since, But anyway, let's just script the thing. You don't need to name your script if you need. Wait, I almost clicked the X button. If that would be terrible. But now let's just do let's just we don't need to type in like any strings or anything, so what we're gonna do is just type in while true. And first whether 1 equals uh equals hold on, W1 equals W folder equals game.server storage.weather folder and get children. So we don't really have the weather folder yet, so what we're gonna do is add it in. Weather folder. Now we type W1 equals or no, we don't need to. We don't need to add in all this, but you can keep the weather folder. You don't need to delete it. Weather equals, and then you can type in whatever weather you want. I will choose hurricane. Just only one weather type. Now, what we're gonna do is, type in weather math dot random one comma hashtag weather. Now what we're gonna do is type in no wait, we needed our storage thing, so I mean replicated storage, but you can call it our storage. Game dot replicated storage. Okay. Now that we have typed in all that, we're gonna do our storage dot one dot value dot. Okay, so as you can see, there's something wrong. The reason why is because you realize that every time you type in a number, it turns blue. I mean, light blue. And since the string codes in the script don't really support, like for example, this string here doesn't really support the one being in its code, because like what was it called, whatever it was called, but like it doesn't really, all I know is that it doesn't really support numbers in its own string, except for this. I mean, what am I even saying? Am I going weird right now or something? Cause oh, these code names are really confusing me now, cause Roblox literally made up some hard code names to spell. That's why, you know, they're just so hard to spell. But like, all we need to do is fix the errors. So if you need to, you can just type in W1, W2, W3, and W4. So now let's try W1, and there! Now it's not light blue anymore. That's how you fix it. But I have a feeling that one of my viewers are gonna make fun of me for like saying the wrong things. And if you are, just shut up. Anyway, come on. Well, I'm not really sick, it's just that you don't want to know because it's kind of weird. But I don't really like getting made fun of, so like every time someone makes fun of me, all I do is just get even madder and madder because I literally hate it when someone makes fun of me. Like at my class, when some of my classmates make fun of me, all I do is just scream with the loudest voice I ever have. And there's there are two people in my class that don't like loud noise. Angel and Jacob. You're wondering why the girl's name is Angel, by the way. It's just because, wait, you don't know, so why do I keep saying you know? Anyway, I mean, the reason why her name is like that is because mom thinks she's special, of course. I'm not being sarcastic, just saying, of course. But anyway, let's get on to the script. So now let's type in value equals W1. our storage dot w2 dot value equals w2. Our storage dot wait, but w2 doesn't exist, but it's fine if it keeps, you know, our storage dot w3 dot value equals w3. Our storage dot w4 dot value equals w4. You don't really need to put a space in it, because even if you don't put a space in it, it won't give an error. Now we need to do W2. Let's just put hurricane and clear. And then we'll put in, then we'll put in my favorite thing. Guess what my favorite thing is in 20 seconds. 19, 18, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Did you get the answer yet? The answer was, of course, a tornado, because, every time I go on Roblox Studio, well, sometimes I like making tornado projects and tornado games and stuff like that, because, tornadoes are my favorite. I don't like them in real life, but I like tornadoes in Roblox. It's my opinion anyway. You don't get to decide what I like. Anyway, let me pause the video real quick. I just need to use the bathroom right now. Okay, so I'm back. Now, let me just, if you want, you can copy and paste in the code. It's your decision. W2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, W 4. Okay, there. Now let me just, type in. Now let me type in Okay, so this is gonna be very hard, so I'll keep making mistakes. But anyway, now what we're gonna do is type in wait math.random 1 5 minutes 500 equals 5 minutes. Wait, is it really 5 minutes? I don't know, but oh yeah, it's probably just 6 minutes. Yeah, just 6 minutes. Anyway, now it's time to do the next code. Oh wait. Game dot server storage dot whatever folder Oh, wait a sec. Bruh, we don't really need these after all. We don't really need those. And definitely not this. Hmm. W1. Well, and then we'll do no. If game dot whatever folder so the woofer index we'll have to use like a woofer index, so we need the number value. Maybe I shouldn't have deleted the day's number value. Woofer not nil, then else, and then uh hmm, and then we'll do instance dot new hint dot text equals. We could not find the woofer. Woofer name, not our storage. No, wait a second, it's our storage. Woofer index dot value not in the woofer folder. 16. And this will just be troubleshooting. Uh, nah. Hmm. Oh, now I have the best idea. Uh, okay, we'll do and then we'll do dot text, and then equals to store. Give me those more pancakes, give me those more pancakes. Well, you might think I'm no. Woo. But I feel too great. Huh? Oh, wait a sec. Yeah, we don't really need this at all, because I was thinking in my head of something like this right now and realized that it wouldn't be that good. So just delete that code. Sorry about that. Anyway, Now, no, we just need to, put in like, yeah, we'll change this to 40 since it'll be too long. But like, also, all I need to do is just, um, game dot server storage dot whatever folder w1, and then equals go. W whoever clone1 dot parent workspace. Give me the I'm just singing a show from my teeth. I'm singing the theme song from a show on TV that I just watched. It isn't really that bad, but anyway, let me just type in. Wait a second. But we need to. Okay, you know what I'm thinking? We're gonna have to do. Hurricane equals hurricane, and then we're not going to. Oh no. Wait, let me go get the disaster kit thing. Hamburger Big Mac Muffin. Now what we're gonna do is type in hurricane, and then we'll do. We're not gonna do that. All we're gonna do is like do Levernum equals math dot random 1 to 2. No. Okay, you know what? Oh yeah, I forgot. All we need is the weather time. Dot random, and then we'll do 2. No, 20 or something, or just 100. 100, 300. You know what? We're just gonna do hurricane because doing the other disasters it would be a lot of time. No, wait, why would it be one? How would I make it? Okay, you know what? That's it. Now, hold on. Let me do. W clone dot weather time. What are you doing? Yeah. Sorry, that was just my sister again interrupting me or trying to ruin my video, but she can't because she's in the other room. Anyway, like usual, my sister always sleeps with our parents because every time we move into a new house, it only has two bedrooms. One for me, one for mom, dad, and Phoebe. That's why she always sleeps with her parents. But my dad said that she wanted to hire someone to make a room for my sister, but my sister said she didn't want to, you know, she didn't want her bedroom near the patio, so she wanted to take my room after the room was done, and I would have to go into the new built room. But I didn't want that, so of course I said no, and then we were kind of fighting, of course. Not fighting, just talk fighting. I mean, that's called arguing. Yeah, we were just arguing. Anyway, if you want, you can just change this to 2, 2, and 2. And then what you're gonna do is just type in this. Wait, we need to name this. We need to make this 2 and 3. Don't forget that. Uh, da da do 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 do, and W clone 4, W clone 4, W clone 4, and then W clone 4. W clone 3. Now what we're gonna do is add in the hurricane thing and or make this 150. Now what we need to do is no wait, we need to make it so that it shows the weather images. But we need like sorry about that. Anyway, first of all, we need a local script. So all we need to do is just, type in weather. Okay, never mind. Yeah, I guess we don't need the weather index after all. The The reason why I added the weather index is because I thought that it was gonna need like a weather index for the weather numbers and stuff. But no. And of course, weather image 1, WI1, and oh wait. Yeah, sorry. I mean, the reason why I was silent is because I was talking to my sister that went in my room. Anyway, let me try to type in value okay, dot located storage dot wi1 wi script dot parent dot text name. What? Oh, now I know why. Dot name. Okay, never mind. Script dot parent dot image equals value dot value. And then what we're gonna do is type in value dot changed colon connect brackets function. And then all we're gonna do is do the same script dot parent dot image equals value dot value. Not gonna lie, but I can type really fast, except for the fact that every time I do that, every time I try and type fast, it gets a little laggy. And I don't want to type slow because that'd be a waste of my time. And sometimes I'll misspell stuff. Anyway, what we're gonna need to do is close the script. And of course, what we're gonna do is type this in. No. No, 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 and then we'll do main weather image known as MWI1. The reason why we're not, the reason why we're not typing it like this main weather image is because that would be long. That would, I doing that would be a lot slower a little bit. So that's why I choose to do this. Anyway, now let's see if we're in this script. Yep, we are. And now let's do main weather image 1. Yo, whoever image 1, whoever image 2, whoever image 3, whoever image 4, whoever image 5. No, we passed 4. Today we're gonna be yeah, okay, you know what? Why do I keep acting weird? Oh no, wait a sec. I misspelled this. Now I have to go back to the script. At least it isn't a waste of my time. I wish I could type even more fast like Sonic. Sonic the Hedgehog, of course. And Sonic is the most popular character in the whole entire world. I mean, in the whole entire galaxy, of course. Okay, now we have 4. Now what we're gonna do is move it here in the center and done. Bye. Bye. Yo, here, you wanna go out? Bye. And I drop, and I went bye, and I drop, bye. Now we need to go back here and type in script.parent.mouse button 1 down or click it go coming :connect function, and then what we're gonna do is type in this. Now then, all we're gonna need to do is type in script dot parent dot parent dot parent dot no, wait a minute, I forgot. Overviewing. And then not visible equals not. Okay, I'ma just copy this and paste it in, because that is a long code to type. Ninety. Anyway, now what we need to do next is, like, okay, I think I have already checked those scripts. Let's check this one again. Main image. Whatever image. Wait, I smell something, but I gotta make sure that I don't get distracted. Equals no. Then we're gonna type in value. No, wait. No, we need to do W2, W1, W3. That's because the W clone thing not, you know. Oh yeah, I think you guys already know that whatever time is not a property of whatever or something like that. Yeah, but why do I just keep yawning? I mean, let me just type in W1 dot whatever. No, wait a sec. Our storage dot whatever image one. No. Whatever image. Yahoo! It updated the battle. Updated the battle. Da 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 da. Okay, so I know this is taking a lot of time. Or 1 hour. Yep, I guessed it. It's 1 hour. Sorry, hold on. Okay, let me just pause. Okay, so I'm pretty sure we're already done with this. Now, okay, sorry for all of the pauses in the video. It's just that I I am watching a YouTube video and doing Roblox Studio at the same time. Anyway, anyway, any, way, anyway, way. Let's just one equals W2 not whatever in or storage dot. No, we'll just do that in like, the next code or so. What did I just do? There's no task. There's no taskbar. What happened to the taskbar? Did I do something? What did I even do to make the taskbar disappear? Did I click like... Oh. But when I do that again, it just disappears. This always happens to me. Why? Anyway, let's name this whatever test. Hamburger, cheeseburger, Big Mac, waffle. Hamburger, cheeseburger, Big Mac, waffle. Hamburger, cheeseburger, Big Mac, waffle. Okay, now let's just let's just change the W2 image to W3. Then we'll go here, change the W4 image to the W3 image, not the W4 image. Anyway, W4 image equals I think it should be nothing. Now we need an image for, oh wait, hurricane icon. I hope that image works. Nature icon hurricane. Wait a second. I found it. Storm the Tornado's profile, except that it has no face. What? Of course it has no face. What am I thinking? What is this? Is this from Thomas? And wow, this hurricane is big. Which one do I use? Which one do I use? Probably just this one, 'cause it looks good. So all you have to do is right click and then copy. Now just delete the decal. And then paste in the ID by clicking paste, or do right click and paste. Now let's probably just test, but first we gotta close the weather viewing frame. No! Why do I keep doing that? Now we can close it, but we don't have a hurricane. No, wait, we don't have a hurricane actually. Hurricane, 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 hurricane. Mini hurricane. No, this just looks like a tornado. But you know what? Yeah, I think that this won't do, of course. Anyway, now let's unlock this part to move it by clicking this here. Da 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 da. Okay, now let's save this. Do 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 do. Okay, as you can see, the images are not showing up. What's causing the error? We hold on. Whatever image is going on. Point light is not. Wait a sec. Oh, wait a sec. You know what? We're gonna fix this code later, so in order to we 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 okay, maybe it was just a bad idea. Yeah, it was a bad idea. So all we have to do is type in 2 minuses in each of these codes. Just to fix it later. It's the beautiful. Ow, my face. Yeah, right now my face kinda hurts a little bit. By the way, I'm singing the remix. I'm singing the remix of some kind of song. I don't remember the song name, but all I know is that uh that's what the song sounds like. I don't know what the rest of the song sounds like, but all I know is that it goes like do 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 like that. And this is the black thing down there. It's still confusing me. And this is the second time this has happened actually, because this used to happen to me when I watched the YouTube in my computer before at my two-story house. Anyway, let's see. What? What is going on? Oh, the images have loaded, but oh yeah, that was the. What is going on? What is what? Uh, that's kind of strange, but I hope that it doesn't act that way as well. Hold on. Let me try to open it. Close me in. Now let's wait for a couple of seconds. I hope the script didn't break. Phew! Phew, the script didn't break. But everything here, every one of these is just hurricane. First one, second one, third one, fourth one. Hurricane. Just hurricane. But anyway, this still seems to be working. But We're still waiting for the hurricane to come. Na 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 na. Oh man, now I can't get the script. Hold on for a second. Let me see something. Oh yeah, is it in here? Yep, the hurricane is definitely in here. Okay, so this is still running. Oh no. Oh, yeah. Now I know. Uh, it's probably lasting for like. Wait a sec. Oh no. Something tells me that was probably a bad idea. Of course. It was a bad idea. Hmm. Now what I have to do next is uh I don't know what to do now because I already just did these stuff. Now do I have to do this? What do I do now? I mean, hold on. I did the rest of the code right, but I did some of the other codes right, but not the rest. What is going on? I mean, I don't know what's going on, but I hope that everything goes. Oh no, wait. What am I even thinking? Uh, how did they even do this in the other? Uh, uh, I think. Hold on. I think something from the toolbox will help me. Okay, that didn't really work, so I mean, now I don't know what else to do, but besides to just but now I know what else to do. Mm, um, name equals hurricane. That's what I literally should have done. Literally, w2 dot name, w2 dot name. I mean, I meant to say W1, but I said W2. W3 dot name, W4 dot name, and there. Now we had to do the same with these. Now let's just wait. I have an idea. And let me go to weather viewing, and then make this visible, scale it a little bit bigger, and then what we have to do next is just scale these smaller. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. 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 It's the beautiful day. 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 Now I need to fix like the garage door somehow, but let me find the script with that. Yes, found it. Now, is there a position? Why? Why does this always happen? Just why? And of course, this looks weird. Now let's just um delete this and see what happens. But after doing this, now what we're gonna do is insert like a text label. So go to plus, then insert text label. So annoying when we have to make them fit screen. It's just stupid. Oh, I'm so bored. This doing this is not actually boring. I'm just bored. But this might need a little bit of more size. You know what? After text white, then let's see background transparency fault. Or you can set it to 21, but I choose blue. Now let's change the font to Source Sans. Hold on. Yeah, we could just change the font for Source. No, wait, not Source Sans, Source Sans Bold. Then we'll type a name. Let's see. Let's scale the weather viewing. I'm singing the song from. I'm singing this music from the Hotel Story in Roblox. It's a, story game, of course, with an NPC and other creepy stuff. Every story, has anyone realized that every story game always has like, horror stuff in it? Well, yeah, it's true. W1, 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 W1. W1, 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 W1. Sorry, sometimes I just keep saying that. Every time every time I Just why are there so many? Okay, as I was saying, sorry that I keep stuttering. It's just you know, thing that I always do. I don't know why I do that, but it's just oh thanks. I'm trying to put something in right now. In real life, I have a ribbon and I'm trying to fix my ribbon. I remember having that ribbon from my birthday before. The ribbon in real life, the one I have. And then there. Okay, so as you may realize, uh, wait. As you may realize, there are these like, wait, let me show you something. So, in the toolbox, before my internet went down, I was searching something in the toolbox when I found, uh, where was it? Where was it? Okay, I don't remember where it was, and I don't remember what the model looked like. Sorry that if I wasted y'all's time. Anyway, now what we're gonna do is go back to the script here and change this to W3. Keep repeating the same thing until you're done. Yep, that's what I said, until you're done. Anyway, now we're gonna like exit the script and lastly put this in the fourth GUI. Close these if you want and go inside the text label. Then you change this to W4. Now that we have that, wait a sec. Okay, there. That's more like it. Now let's uh now let's make this invisible and then no wait. And then we're gonna have to publish and play the game. Okay, so there was an error. So the error is that we needed to type a name. Then let's go to file and publish. And then we can play. And go away. Okay, just kidding. I was saying that to my sister. Go away. Go away. Sorry about that. That was just my sister. Go away. Now let's go here. And hurricane, 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 and hurricane. I can't wait. La 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 la. Now the garage door still doesn't look good, but I'm gonna ignore that. And first of all, When is it gonna come? I mean, it's coming in a minute, so all we have to do is just wait. Uh, uh, I'm still waiting. Oh wait, it worked. It works. The hurricane is here. Oh, yeah, it works. As you can see, the hurricane really works. Hopefully it's not working for us. Okay. Anyway, this it kind of looks we're gonna need to hold on. Uh, Now what we're gonna do is go to number one or any of these, clone the text label, uh, and then clone it, and then put it inside the frame. And now what we're gonna do is scale it and name it. Then change the name thing to whatever. Then what we're gonna do is remove the local script, and there. Now you have your very own weather script. So now make sure to subscribe, comment, like, and turn on that notification bell if this helped you a lot. See you next time, guys.